In a world that relies heavily on electricity and technology, the potential impact of a grid-down event, such as an electromagnetic pulse, EMP, solar flare, or sabotage attack, can be devastating. These scenarios can leave entire regions without power for extended periods, disrupting daily life and access to essential services. Preparing for such situations involves developing a variety of skills that will help you maintain safety, health, and a degree of normalcy. Although not comprehensive, this guide covers some of the most essential grid-down skills, helping you get better prepared to face such emergencies. Water procurement and purification. Finding water sources. Knowing where to find water is crucial. Identify natural water sources such as rivers, lakes, and streams near your home. Local maps or a scouting trip can help you locate these sources. In urban areas, parks with ponds or streams can be alternative water sources. Setting up a rainwater collection system can provide a sustainable water source. Install rain barrels or other collection systems under downspouts to gather rainwater from your roof. Ensure your collection system includes a filter to keep debris out of the water. If you have the resources, consider drilling a well on your property. A well with a manual pump can provide a reliable water source independent of the grid. Purification procedures. Boiling water is one of the most effective methods to kill pathogens. Bring water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute or 3 minutes at higher altitudes to ensure it is safe to drink. Use portable water filters such as those from brands like Sawyer or LifeStraw to remove bacteria and protozoa. For a DIY option, create a filter using layers of sand, charcoal, and gravel. This method can help remove larger particles and some contaminants. Chemical disinfectants like household bleach can purify water. Depending on the concentration, you can add 6 to 8 drops of bleach per gallon of water. Stir and let it sit for 30 minutes before drinking. Ensure the bleach is unscented and contains no additives. Food preservation and storage. Stockpile essentials. Store a variety of non-perishable foods such as canned goods, dry beans, rice, pasta, and powdered milk. These items have a long shelf life and can provide essential nutrients during an emergency. Invest in dehydrated and freeze-dried foods. These products are lightweight, have a long shelf life, and are easy to prepare with minimal water. Preservation procedures. Learning to can foods at home can extend the shelf life of your garden produce and meats. Use pressure canning for low-acid foods like vegetables and meats, and water bath canning for high-acid foods like fruits and pickles. Follow safe canning practices to prevent foodborne illnesses. Dehydrating foods removes moisture, which inhibits the growth of bacteria and mold. Use a dehydrator or the sun to dry fruits, vegetables, and meats. Store dehydrated foods in airtight containers to maintain their quality. Fermenting foods can preserve them while adding beneficial probiotics to your diet. Commonly fermented foods include sauerkraut, kimchi, and yogurt. Use clean equipment and follow recipes carefully to ensure safety. Heating and cooking. Alternative cooking methods. Solar ovens use the sun's energy to cook food without electricity or fuel. They are portable and easy to use, making them ideal for grid-down situations. You can purchase a solar oven or build one using reflective materials and a cardboard box. Rocket stoves are highly efficient wood-burning stoves that can be used for cooking and heating. They require minimal fuel and produce less smoke than traditional campfires. You can buy a rocket stove or make one using materials like bricks and metal cans. Building and maintaining a safe campfire is a valuable skill. Learn to gather and prepare firewood. Start a fire using various methods: matches, lighters, fire starters, and safely extinguish the fire when done. Use campfires for cooking, heating, and light. Heating solutions. A wood stove can provide both heating and cooking capabilities. Install a wood stove in your home and ensure you have a good supply of firewood. Practice safe operation and maintenance to prevent house fires and carbon monoxide poisoning. A backup solar generator could help run an indoor-safe propane heater to provide supplemental heat during a power outage. Ensure proper ventilation to avoid carbon monoxide buildup. Always follow the manufacturer's safety guidelines. Communications. Ham radios are reliable communication tools in grid-down situations. Obtain a ham radio license and learn to operate the equipment. Join local ham radio clubs to practice and stay updated on best practices. Citizen band (CB) radios are useful for short-range communication. They do not require a license and can be used to communicate with neighbors or nearby communities. Keep a set of walkie-talkies for family or group communication. Choose models with a good range and battery life. Practice using them to ensure everyone knows how to operate them effectively. First aid and medical skills. Take a first aid course to learn how to handle minor injuries, illnesses, and medical emergencies. Skills like CPR, wound care, and recognizing symptoms of common illnesses can be life-saving. Maintain a well-stocked first aid kit that includes bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and prescription medications. Include supplies for treating burns, cuts, sprains, and other common injuries. Learn about local plants and herbs that can be used for medicinal purposes. Herbs like garlic, echinacea, and peppermint have various health benefits and can be grown in your garden or foraged. Gardening and food production. Start a vegetable garden to grow your own food. Learn about soil preparation, planting techniques, and pest control. Focus on high-yield, nutrient-dense crops like potatoes, beans, and leafy greens. Raising small livestock like chickens or goats can provide a sustainable source of eggs and milk. Learn about animal care, feeding, and housing. Ensure you have adequate space and resources to care for your animals. Save seeds from your garden to plant in future seasons. Clean and store seeds in a cool, dry place to maintain their viability. Security and self-defense. Strengthen your home's security by reinforcing doors and windows. Install deadbolts, security bars, and shatterproof film on windows. Consider a home security system with battery backup. Take classes in self-defense to protect yourself and your family. Consider learning martial arts, using pepper spray, or carrying a firearm. Ensure you are trained in the safe and legal use of any self-defense tools. Organize with neighbors to create a community watch program. Share information, resources, and support to enhance neighborhood security. Regular meetings and communication can help build trust and cooperation. Bartering and trade. Develop skills that can be traded for goods and services. Carpentry, sewing, mechanical repair, and medical knowledge are valuable in a grid-down situation. Offer your skills in exchange for food, off-grid power, supplies, or other services. Stockpile items that will be valuable for trade, such as medical supplies, food, tools, and ammunition. Bartering can help you obtain necessary items that you may not have stored or anticipated needing. Psychological preparedness. Developing mental resilience is crucial for coping with the stress and challenges of a grid-down situation. Practice stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and prayer. Stay physically active and maintain a healthy diet to support mental well-being. Building a network of like-minded individuals can provide emotional support and practical assistance. Join local preparedness groups or online forums to share knowledge, resources, and encouragement. Preparing for a grid-down event involves acquiring a diverse set of skills and knowledge. By focusing on the areas outlined in this guide, you can increase your resilience and improve your chances of thriving during an extended power outage. Start small, build your skills incrementally, and encourage others in your community to do the same. Together, you can create a robust support system to face any challenges that come your way. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Know that God provides, so get wise and learn how to survive. May God bless you and your family.